See the fifth question, children. What do we have the fifth question? Did the poet agree to go with the horse? The horse also asked, will you come with me? Where is the horse going? Village. Why? To get hay, right? To get some hay. So, will you come with me? The horse asked our poet, but our poet agreed. No. So, see the question. Did the poet agree to go with the horse? Did the poet agree? Write the question. Did the poet agree? Did the poet agree to go with the horse? To go with the horse. Did he accept? No. Did the poet agree to go with the horse? Answer. No. The poet did not agree to go with the horse. Did not agree to go with the horse. No, the poet did not agree to go with the horse. Okay, children. Did the poet agree to go with the horse? No. So, the poet did not agree to go with the horse. Okay, ma. And see the next one, sixth one, what do we have? Whom did the poet meet after he had met the horse? After he had met the horse. So, what is that? Whom did the poet meet after he had met the horse? So first man and then horse, and after the horse to whom he met? Yes, a woman. Right, children? So write the answer for this. What is the answer, Nana? The poet met a woman after he had met the horse. So after meeting the horse, the poet met a woman. So the poet met a woman after he had met the horse. Okay, children. And see the next question, ma. Seventh question, last one. What do we have? Whom did he meet after he had met the rabbit? So after a woman he met rabbit. After rabbit, to whom the poet met? Yes, puppy. Right? Write the question. Whom did the poet meet? Whom did the poet meet after he had met the rabbit? He had met the rabbits. Okay. He met rabbits, na? And later he met a puppy. So write the answer for this. The poet met a puppy after he had met the rabbits. So the poet met a puppy after he had met the rabbits. So whom did the poet meet after he had met the rabbits? The poet met a puppy after he had met the rabbits. After the rabbits, he met a puppy. I met a puppy. Okay, children, understood these questions? So read all these questions, learn this, and then we can do the next topic. See children, so the next one after question answers we have fill in the blanks using Clue Kit. So here total 5 blanks we have, 5 fill in the blanks. Clue Kit here they have given. What are those? Poet, rabbit, woman, horse, man. These words they have given. Where those are suitable we should write it. So see this ma. The poet met a dash first. To whom the poet met first? Yes, the poet met a man first. So where is this? Here man is it. So write the answer. The poet met a man first. Right children? See the second one children. The dash is going to village to get some hay. Who went to village to get some hay? Yes, hay who eats? Horse. So horse is going to get village to get some hay. So then answer here we should write it the horse. So the horse is going to village to get some hay. Okay. And next one. Dash is going to get some barley. Yes, very early. Yes, she went to get barley. Who? Woman. So woman is going to get some barley. And dash is going to get some oats. Yes, what is that with the coats? Who went? Rabbit. So, rabbit is going to get some oats. And the dash agreed to go with the dog. At last, who agreed to go with the dog? Yes, the poet. The poet agreed to go with the dog. Right children? So these are the fill in the blanks. Right answers in your book first. The next one we have vocabulary part. In the vocabulary it's a time to know new words. So already we know the new words. Once again see those words. What is the first word? Disposition. What is the first word? Disposition. Disposition means a person's qualities. A person's qualities we call it a disposition. And next one herding. Yes, we heard it. Herding means watch it. Watch it. Okay, hear means to listen, but herd means watch it. Herding means watch it. And temperament. Temperament means animals in nature, we call it temperament. And hay. Hay means it is dried grass. Dried grass, we call it hay. And that's a fur coats. Fur coats. A coat made of fur. A coat made of fur, we call it fur coats. Okay children. So just a simple 5 words only you have in the vocabulary part. Those you can do very easily. Learn these words. See children, so the next one we have, it's a time to spell well. So time to spell well means you know all of you that is pronunciation, that spellings, missing letters they give it, and we should learn the spellings and the pronunciation of the words also. Okay ma? Now say this, complete the following words. So they have given total 8 words. That letters what missed also they have given. Where those are possible that we should write it. See ma? First one is, so here what are the answers they give? P, B, R, W, H, V, W, T. These letters 8 here suitable we should write it. See the first one dash A L K I N G. Dash A L K I N G. So the poet was walking. Right? Walking. So then can we take first word is walking? Yes. Where is the W? This one. So anything. Any W you can take it. So walking. So while walking he was talking also. So here walking and then same we have now. Then you can write talking. What is this? Dash A L K I N G. Then this is talking. Where is T? Here. So walking, talking. Walking spelling W A L K I N G. Walking. Talking T A L K I N G. Talking. And next one dash I L L A G. What is this here? What do we have? Yes, village. They were going to village na, down to the village. So then answer is village. Spelling Village, village. Okay, Nana. And see the next one. Dash ORSE. Very good. Very good. You said correct one. What is this? Horse. What is the spelling? HORSE. Where is the H here? Here. Round off this one. Horse. HORSE. Next one. Dash OMAN. Who is there? Very good. Woman. So woman spelling WOMAN. Here W. Very good. So WOMAN. Woman. And next one. Dash ABBITS. Very good. Very good. That is rabbits. So what do we have? R. RABBITS. Rabbits. Very good. Next one, try it. Dash ROWN. Very good. Brown. Brown. Did we get brown in the poem? Yes. Where? The rabbits were brown fur coats, right? So then BROWN. Brown. Very good. Next, last one. Yes, all of you know. Puppy. Puppy spelling PUPPY. 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 Got it? Walking. 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 Talking. 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 Village. 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 And next one, horse. 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 Next one, woman. 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 And next one, rabbits. 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 Next one, brown. BROWN. Next, puppy. 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 Okay, children. Got it? Write these answers in a book. See, children. So the next one, your favorite interesting one, tongue twisters. So very fast when you speak, all are giving similar sound. Sometimes we cannot speak loud, fast. So very funny one it is. What is that? Time to rhyme. So it's a rhyming means all da 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 sounds we get it. What is that? Say this as fast as you can. So as fast as you try it. What is this? Dick had a dog. The dog dug. Dick had a dog. The dog dug. The dog dug deep. How deep did Dick's dog dug? Understood? So how deep did Dick's dog dig? Okay, ma. See again. Say this. Dick had a dog. Dick had a dog. The dog dug. Dick has one dog. That it started to dug something. How? The dog dug deep. Very deep it dug. How deep did Dick's dog dig? So how deep it dig? So that we are asking. Okay. So say fast as you can. Dick's had a dog. The dog dug. The dog dug deep. How deep did dug? How deep did Dick's dog dug? How deep did Dick's dog dig? Okay, children. Not dug, dig. Here did is in a, so that's why we should write dig only. Okay. See again. Dick had a dog. The dog dug. The dog dug deep. How deep did Dick's dog dig? Understood? So you also try very fast. All da 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 sounds only. You get it. Okay, children. Enjoy it. See, children. So the next topic we have time to write. So we should write something here. In that first bit we have two topics they have given under time to write. What is the first one? Pick all the rhyming words from the poem. Yes. In the poem we discussed all the rhyming words. Na? The same rhyming words we should find now. So open the textbook and see. Tell me the rhyming words. Already I told you. So then you can find easily. What are those? Very good. Very good. First one is walking, talking. Yes. First one is walking, talking. Very nice. And next one, find it, Nana. Very good. In the first poem only we have said bread. Very nice. Said bread. So see the spellings different, but here rhyming same we are getting. Bread, said bread. And the next one, walking, talking already we wrote. So that's why we cannot write it. And try it another. Very nice. Today, hey. Today, hey. Very good. And find the next one also same walking, talking. So not necessary, right? Next one, try it. What do we have? Very good. Early, barley. Early, barley. Early, barley. Right, children? Early, barley. And next one, what do we have? Yes, coats, oats. Coats, oats. Right, ma? So with the fur coats, they went for oats, na? Yes. Last one, what do we have? Day, play. Very nice. Day, play. Right. So what are the rhyming words here we have? Walking, talking. Said, bread. Today, hay. Early, barley. And coats, oats. Day, play. Of course, they gave 5 boxes only. You can write another extra or else any 5 you can take it. Okay, ma? Write this. See children, so the next topic we have here, time to write in this. Who said to who? Who said to whom? What are those? Serial number, sentence, who said to whom? They gave this one. So what are those? Who said to whom? So like this we have here. So see the first sentence I am telling you. What is the first sentence? I am going to the village to get some hay. What is the first sentence? I am going to the village. I am going to the village to get some hay. To get some hay. So who said this one? I am going to village to get some hay. Who said this one? Yes, very good. Horse. So horse said, I am going to village, go down to the village to get some hay. Hay means you know? Yes, dried grass. So now who said? Horse. Who said this one, ma? Horse. Very good. And to whom the horse said? To whom? Very nice. The poet only. The poet. To whom the horse said? The poet. What the horse said? I am going to the village to get some hay. Understood? Like this we should tell the answer for the sentences. What is the second one, Sinana? I am going to the village to get some barley. What is the second one? I am going to the village. I am going to the village to get some barley. Some barley. Who said this one? Yes, who said this one, Nana? So, I am going to village to get some barley. Who said this one? Yes, very early the woman went. So, that's why the answer is the woman. So, who said this one? Woman. Woman. Okay, ma'am. And to whom the woman said? Very nice. The poet only. The poet only. So, what the woman said? I am going to the village to get some barley. See children, so I am going to the village to get some barley. Who said this one? Yes, woman. To whom the woman said? The poet. What the woman said? I am going to the village to get some barley. Right, Nana? So, this is the second one. Second statement. And see the third statement, what do we have, ma? I am going to the village to get some oats. What is the third one? I am going to the village. I am going to the village to get some oats. To get some oats. Who said this one? Yes, with the fur coats, the rabbits went. Na? So rabbits said this one. Who said? Rabbits. And to whom the rabbits said? Yes, the poet only. The poet only. What the rabbits said? Yes, I am going to the village to get some oats. I am going to the village to get some oats. So, I am they have given means we can take only one rabbit. So, rabbits they were going, but one rabbit only said, na? That's a rabbit we can write. And see the next one, Nana. Fourth one. This is the third one. And see the next fourth one. What do we have? I am going to the village to get some bread. Who said this one? Yes, the man. So write the fourth one. I am going to the village. I am going to the village. I am going to the village to get some bread. To get some bread. Who said this one? Yes, the man. Man said this one. To whom the man said? Yes, nice, very nice. The poet only. The poet only. So, what the man said? I am going to the village to get some bread. I am going to the village to get some bread. To whom the man said? The poet only. Okay, children. So, this is the sentence who said to whom. Write this one. See, children. So, the next one, what do we have? Your favorite topic. Yes. Time to do that is our project work. See this project work. What do we have the project work? Join the numbers and color the image. So, join the numbers here. Where is the 1? Here. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all these numbers join it. Up to, what is the last number you have? The 40, 39 you have. 39 you have here. So, join all the numbers in the order. All the numbers in the order. Then you will get a beautiful picture. So, not only to join this one, you should color this one. Then you will get a beautiful picture. Will you do it? I'll check your book in the next week. So, all of you should do this one. Okay, children, do this.